I have to finish making this pizza for King Pig.
Hey, Chef Pig.
What do you three want?
We have an egg for you we need to cook.
Oh, I guess the pizza could wait. Wait, what's going on?
Mama?
Oh my god!
We have ourselves a bird.
Did that egg just hatch right in front of me?
Yes. What should we name the bird? I think we should call it Silver. Because it's gray. Like silver.
Well, there goes my omelet. Back to making the pizza it is.
We should do fun things with it. Do we even know how to take care of a baby?
I don't even know.